Hey there, ladies and gents. How's it going? I literally was getting on my bike, pulling away, and when these cops pulled up, and I literally was like, what is happening? What is happening? Oh, damn it. Alright, I just don't want to start my bike because it's pretty loud, but it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's freaking sketchball. As soon as I see cops, I'm just like, watch out. All good. Ladies and gents, vloggy vlog time, eh? I don't know what's going on. Don't know what's going on here on these vicious New York City streets. As soon as I see a cop, I'm like, I want to dip out. So, did I start the vlog? I don't know. It's a weird one. I got all quiet next to the pow because there's a lot of new legislatures about quiet exhausts and other things, and I just don't want any fucking trouble of any sort, of any kind. You know what I mean? Don't need any of that. I don't need any trouble. Damn, son. Yeah, totally fine. Look at that thing. A Maybach. Sick as fuck. That thing is pretty badass. For a Maybach. Are you turning? No, I don't think you're turning, bro. So I think you're alright. Alright, let's cruise. Do it by the book, do it by the law. To make sure nobody's too upset with me. Oh boy. Right. The vlog. It's like 12 o'clock right now, and you know, kind of chilling, kind of confused, kind of don't understand what's happening, but this is a ride. This is more about a ride than about can I get through here, bro? Is it gonna be all right? Or is it going to be upsetting to some members? God damn, my bike sounds like a fucking mean machine. It's a fucking beast. She's a beast. A mean, beastly machine. Why are you slowing down, bro? What are you doing? Why are you slowing down, bro? Can you please fucking go? Can you please fucking go? This will be one of those vlogs that I'm gonna pickle for a while and then release it when I have no other vlogs. You know, I'll be like, oh look, this is back when I used to ride. And look, you like my blinkers? I'm flashing left and right as I'm doing my little maneuverings. Thanks. Look at the gaps these people are holding. I don't know why, but confusing. Not exactly sure what is the purpose of driving like that. Not exactly sure what the purpose is of driving like you're taking a piss. Like, look at this fucking guy. Like, this guy right here. There's literally nobody ahead of him. What the fuck was the point of that? Like, why? Why must you create traffic, you stupid motherfuckers? Like, it's not that serious, bruh. You don't really have to go so slow. It's not like they're going speed limit or anything, you know? That thing right there, that Explorer, that's a cop. For sure. Because look at those freaking wheels and antennas. Those wheels and antennas. Dead giveaway. Dead giveaway. Doing, bros? Right. There was a vlog in there somewhere, right? Between all the stupid shit. Go ahead. Between all the stupid shit and all the silliness, there's more than likely a vlog in there. Anyway, well, there it is. Thanks for watching, kids. Appreciate it. Bye.